Hi guys, I just wanted to come on. First I wanted to tell you I did this haul for you before I realized about the fires, but I went ahead and I'm putting this up now, and I'll let you know shortly what else is going on as far as the fires. They are not contained yet, I know that much, and I'm going to be watching the news at 4 o'clock. But I wanted to get this out and give you this haul since I had filmed it before I knew what was going on with the fires. So I'll keep you up to date on what's going on. Thanks again. Love you all. Hello everyone, and I am here with a Dollar Tree haul. But before I go into my haul, I want you to know that I am thankful for you. That is what I'm thankful for. My YouTube family. That's right. Well, as you can see, I got some fall stuff from the Dollar Tree. So this was the first thing, and I thought this was cute because you can put whatever you want. But I just wanted you to know I'm thankful for you. So that's the first thing. Then I didn't go to the really nice one that I like so much because that's on the other side of town. So I went to the one that I liked the least, but it is what it is. I was at the dentist, and so I stopped there after. So I did get, and they only had one package left, and thank goodness it was this cream-colored pumpkin clips. So I did get a pack of those. I got these magnetic clips because I have an idea of something I'm going to do with these. They had these there, and I guess you could put, it's not for that, but you could put a votive behind it and it would light up. See, you can see through it. But I thought that would be cute on a tiered tray. What do you think? So I got that. I got a couple of these clip leaves. I got the real dark rusty red and the brown. And these, I don't know, these aren't glitter, you guys. It's not glitter. It's just, look, it's just, I don't know. I mean, what do you, I don't know. I don't know what it is. I don't know. Anyway, got a couple of those. Then I bought 3 of these pumpkins, and these are good-sized pumpkins. Well, I mean, not huge, but they fit in the palm of my hand, and I got 2 burlap and one kind of a metallic-y, if you will, look. But these you could embellish, especially the burlap. You could embellish these really nice. So I got those. And then I got this sign, and I liked it because it's the neutrals. Now, I'm not going all with neutrals, although I will be putting in white pumpkins and different colors. I'll tell you, in the fall, I like the traditional. I like that burst of that really, really deep orange and the yellows and everything else. But I also like this. So my house is just going to be a mishmash of different colors. I'm not going with one particular theme. So I got that. Then I got a couple more of these. Look how perfect that goes. And these are the Gerber daisies, and they have a little bit of, looks like burlap with the silk, and I like the insides of the flowers. Isn't that pretty? Is that like fuzzy stuff? But it goes really pretty with that. So even if you put that like in your entryway or a bathroom, I mean, that's really, I thought that was really pretty. So I got that. Then this, they had very little Halloween. I mean, I'm talking, well, they had these and some really obnoxious, and I do mean obnoxious. I walked in there, I thought, oh dear Lord. I went over and turned them off because I couldn't stand it anymore. It's the one where they go ee-hee-hee-hee constantly when anyone walks by. So I thought, oh no, I can't do this right now. I just got from the dentist, my mouth, and I'm thinking, oh, I cannot listen to it. So I turned them off. I mean, there were just a couple, but nevertheless. But this I'm going to use for a Thanksgiving, and then I'm going to change it up and it'll be used for a Christmas DIY. Should have got another one, but that's okay. I'm just going to deal with the one now, and if I go back and I have one, I might get one more. Got that. Then I got 4 of these 3x5s, and I'm doing a Halloween, and then I will do a fall with these same frames. So stay tuned for that one. I think you're really going to like this one. I am doing another DIY, and I'm using these little foam, well, styrofoam little balls, and you're really going to like these too. I have a feeling a few of you are going to make some of these when I'm done. And then I got a pair, well, it's 2 pair actually, of cruise socks. I'm doing I might do a fall and Christmas. I think fall and Christmas probably, but this one you're really going to like too. This will be more farmhouse type. You'll see. You'll see. I don't want to say anything. Then I loved these, and I used them last year, but I'm going to do a DIY with these, and I just really like the look of that. Then I bought a couple of the oven mitts, and I'm going to be doing a DIY with these, a brown one and a red one, and a DIY with these, because you know styrofoam and Oasis, it's expensive, and I would much rather pay $1 than opposed to maybe $6, not just for one, but you know what I mean. It's more expensive. But this is going into a DIY I'm doing. Then I just bought I know these aren't really well made, but just for around the house, going outside and stuff. So got a pair of those. And for Lent, it was a double. And I needed some sponges, so I got some sponges. Again, at the store, these are a lot more expensive, and I throw my sponges away. I will change them out usually either 3 to 4 weeks. I never keep them longer than that. So, and then some dish soap. And this is pretty good. I tried one. I wanted to see if it sudsed up enough, and it did. So I got one of these. And then, hallelujah, finally they had in some of the faux apples, because oh my gosh, you guys, I am going to be doing such a fun DIY with these. So I got 4 of those, and I bought one more lemon because they only had a couple, but to add to my lemons for next year. This is a nice lemon. I mean, and look at the size of this sucker, as well as the apples. These are a good size apple. And then I bought this black basket because I'm going to be doing a DIY with this as well. So, guys, that is my Dollar Tree haul. A lot of DIYs going to be going on here very, very shortly. So, I just wanted to bring you along. Missed you. Haven't talked to you in a day or two. And I just wanted to say hi, and you are great. And don't ever forget that you are what I am thankful for. Each and every one of you. Ones that don't, and I get it, because sometimes people are shy and they don't want to come on. And then I have others just recently, and it's the first time that they've ever, you know, commented or asked a question, which I absolutely love. And for the ones that do keep in contact with me all the time, I just want you to know that I am thankful for my YouTube family. I really am. So until next time, guys, the next DIY, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. I'll talk to you soon, guys. Bye.